Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we can see how can we restore a table in SparkSQL. So in this exercise, what I am going to do, I am creating a table. The name of the table is this one. I am defining 6 column and its data type. The table is of data type. Now, when this table gets created, I am describing the history of the table. So it will going to give me all the versions or history of this particular table. I will show you whenever I will do practical in Databricks. No, I will show you which kind of history it will be visible. And then I will do an insert statement in this table. When this insert statement completed successfully, whenever I will just show the history of this table, then again a new version will be created. It will be visible in the history of this table. Now again, what I am just doing, I am inserting 4 records in it, and if we will going to see the version describe history, a new version will be created. And if you want to restore the table, so suppose there is a version, this is creating version 1, right? This insert statement is creating version 2, and this insert statement, this 4 insert statement, if it is creating version 3. If you want to restore the data to version 1, this one, so if we'll do this restore, this command, restore table, name of the table, and which version we are going to restore it. So here we have provided version 1. So once we have restored it, no, so what it will going to do, it don't have data because this version, it's only we have created it, we didn't insert any records in it. So I will show you in the practical how it will be visible over Databricks. Let's go over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name it as restore. Attach this notebook with our cluster. We are going to create a table. Okay, so just now I have done creation of the table. What I am going to do, I will going to copy the code. Okay, otherwise it will going to take time. I want to save some time. Let me copy this code. Let me rename it. Delta restore, and here we are creating using delta. So this is the delta table. So this table has been created successfully. Let's describe the history of this table. Describe history of this table. See, this is the version 0. Very important thing, we need to note it. This versioning is only available in the delta table. Rest of the table, this versioning will not be available. So this we need to take care. Now let's do an insert. Okay, so I have created this insert statement. Let me copy this insert and date. Let me do a select. So this table has only one record which we have inserted here. Let me see the history again. We can see two history has been created. This zero history is we have created a table version 1. We have performed a write operation. Let me insert some more records in it. Let me run it. Okay. Insert statement has been run successfully. Let me do a select. Select star from this table. So it has 5 records. 4 records we have inserted here and 1 record we have inserted here. Now let's see the version again. See how many versions it has been created, because this is considering the separate insert statement. That's why for each insert statement separate version has been created, right? That's why here we can see 5 version has been created. So in the last version, how many records are there? In the last version, 5 records are there. Now let's restore this version, this table to version this one. So we can store with the help of a version number, and we can also restore the table based on the timestamp. In this example, we will see both of them, right? So let me restore it to version 1. So how we are going to restore it? Restore table. What is the name of the table? This is the name of the table. And on what basis we are restoring it? Version as of 1. Let's run it. The table has been restored successfully, okay, to version 1. So if we see the data, it must have only one record, because at the version 1, this table has only one record. Select star from this table. Let's see. See, this is only one record. Only one record. Let me just describe the history again. So now one more history gets one more version gets created, that is 6. So in the 5th version, we have all the records. All the 5 records are there. So let's restore this table to version 5, but let's restore with the help of a timestamp. So how we are going to restore a table based on the timestamp? Then we can do as the following: restore table. This is the name. This is the name of the table. How we are going to restore it? We are going to restore it with the help of a timestamp. Time timestamp as of, and here we have to put in inverted single quotes. Let's copy the timestamp from here and paste over here. Let me run it. It is restoring the data to this timestamp. Now, this is a number of files after restore is 5, means 5 records has been. So let me see. Let me just do the select, then we can able to figure it out. Select, start from. Now we can see all the 5 records are there, because at this timestamp, the total records of this particular table was having these 5 records. That's why after restoration, based on the timestamp, all these records are visible. So in this video, we have seen how can we restore a table to the previous version based on the version number and based on the timestamp. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.